in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a chart that will provide our data in one easy to locate and easy to view place. Right now, it's great having all of this data, but if we really wanted to summarize it for a panel of executives, there's just so much here to look at. Most of this data um, is for the researcher. We don't need to have it in our presentation to the executives. So what we're going to do is we're going to just show them the data that they need to see. So we'll start by selecting row 2 all the way down to our totals here, Delta Wing totals, which is row 55. So we have them selected. We're now going to just right click on any of the number. You can see it says hide rows, and we want to click on hide rows 2 through 55. It's still there. You can make it come back if you click that little arrow right there, but I'm going to Control Z because I want mine hidden. Now we're going to hide all of elliptical data except for the totals. And we're going to right click and select hide rows. And we'll do the same thing here now for straight wing. We select all of it except for the totals. We right click and hide rows 112 through 163. So you can see we just have all of that data summarized in 3 nice neat rows here. And we're going to select this row here, or these rows here. We'll right click and we're going to hide rows 165 to 244. And there you can see we have all of our data kind of cleaned up. We're not quite done yet. Now we're going to select all of these cells. So let's do this. So we select all of those, and we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to click on Chart. And we're almost done here. We're now going to click on Customize, and we want to customize our chart and axis titles. So for our title, let's say Flight Data Analysis. And then we want to click on Series, and we want to turn on our data labels. And now you can see we have these values populated in here. And we can see exactly, for example, the 26.3. You couldn't see that on this bar graph, the 26.3. It'd be hard to tell what the actual values were. So that's why we enable the data labels. So we can turn off our series here, and we can just move this somewhere, where we can still see our data. So, maybe you want to put it right below. So we click on it and we can drag it over here so it's right below. And now you can just real quickly go through here. Here's our average for the Delta Wing, 26.3. Here's our median, our mode, and our range. Unfortunately, we don't have the option to come in here and label these. So if I wanted to click on those, for example, it would be nice if we could label them, but you can look here in position. Labeled is grayed out. It's not an option, unfortunately. So if we do put it on the left side, for example, we could pencil those in, and there are other ways that we could make it look like it was labeled, but unfortunately, there's no way for us to have text editing capability in the chart itself to add that, hey, the blue number is the mean or average, the red number is the median, and so on. So that is how you insert a chart of all of our values so that we can present this to the executives, and we could say, as you can obviously see, our delta wing on average flies 3 feet or more further than all of the other wing types. Or does it? Because I left the swept forward wing totals off so that you could calculate those on your own using your knowledge you gained from watching the videos and your own experience of calculating mean, median, mode, and range for delta, elliptical, and straight wing.